And our final stage of assembly should be reasonably straightforward. We're just going to go constrain. We're going to want to use this part here. Mate this surface here to this surface. And I've got a few different options of doing this, but I'll probably use that tangent tool again. Just to make sure I remember to click apply. So we'll do that again, constrain, and we'll go for this one here, that surface to that surface, apply. Next thing I'll do is rotate it around, and I want to use the tangent tool. So click that one, that end to the end there, and see we're sort of predominantly in the right place. And we'll go apply. So it's almost there. Next thing I want to do is I'll just bring those slats around that are rotated around too far. I'll just use a flush mate. That one there, that one there. And let's have a look around. Well, so we've still got a little bit of an issue on those bottom ones, so we'll just make sure we see they will go apply. Those weren't quite in the right position before. So let's click that edge. And we're okay. Apply it. So it's good to go. Now one last sort of glue joint essentially to do, and we'll click on mate, that face to that face here, and let's just see where that's dragged us to. Right, this goes almost aligned. Then I'll click apply, then I'll go tangent, and I'll this one here, to inside, and I'll click on this, and that. And we're close, you can see how close we are. We'll click apply, we'll go back to just doing a regular mate, we'll go flush mate. Get it onto the top surface, and apply. And I'll do one more flush mate, it should get us hopefully. Haha, close. And we'll fly one more. Fly. And one more flush mate. So we're going to do it to any one of these here. If I get the top edge. Apply. And then lo and behold. So we're going to see we've got our fully assembled chair as you made in 10 mat. Thanks for watching.